So my question is it okay if she worships idols till she can't tell her family about Islam? One more question, is it okay if a man gives dawah to a woman? Thank you. As far as the question, is it okay that she can worship idols till the time she informs the family? Idol worship is the biggest sin in Islam. Allah says in the Quran in Surah Nisa chapter 4 verse 48 and Surah Nisa chapter 4 verse 116, if Allah pleases, He may forgive any sin, but the sin of shirk He will never forgive. So idol worship is the biggest sin. After doing shirk, if you ask for forgiveness, inshallah Allah will forgive that also. Now that she has accepted Islam, she should not do idol worship, and it's not a must. In the Hindu family, they don't do idol worship every day. If a family even is very pious and doing the rituals, surely you can make an excuse and avoid doing it. If you feel telling your family is a little bit risky now, you can delay in telling, maybe after a few days, after a few weeks, no problem. But see to it that you stay away from the sins, especially the major sin of idol worship. Can a man give dawah to a woman? Yes, as long as he doesn't break the rules of the hijab. Like I am coming now on the Peace TV, on the Facebook, on the social media, and there are hundreds and thousands of ladies also watching, no problem. But if many people say that they want to do one-to-one dawah with a man doing to a woman, to a non-mahram, that is not recommended, and especially in a closed room. As the Prophet said, if a man and a woman, the opposite sex, are in a closed room and there is no third person, the third person is the devil. So you have to maintain the hijab. You cannot do one-to-one dawah, you cannot laugh and joke with a non-mahram. You can talk, but with lowering your gaze, saying there's not too much complacent in your voice. So maintaining the hijab, you can do, best is through books or through social media. Hope that answers the question.